How to rename a picture album in Samsung Gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Gallery app. Now here, scroll down and click on Album. So if you want to rename album, so click on this three dot icon and click on album settings. So after click on album settings, so if you want to rename, so click on rename. So delete name and enter your new name and click on rename. You will see album name is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can rename our picture album in Samsung Gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.